After generating different solutions using the AI Generate feature, you can click on any solution to view the solution details. If you want to view a different solution option, press the back button at the top left-hand corner in the workspace to go back to the solutions list. Each created solution appears as a solution card with the following features. First, the solution name. This is editable by clicking the name directly on the card. On the right, there's a duplicate button, which makes a copy of the chosen solution. A share button, which is copied to your clipboard and can be easily shared by pasting the link. And lastly, a delete button, which is used to delete the individual solution card. Features on the thumbnail include the like button, which is used to bookmark your favorites for later use within the project. The comment button, which is used to add notes to the solution. And lastly, the View Inputs button, which is used to see site information and the inputs used to create the solutions. You can click See All Details at the bottom of the solution card to return to the workspace for detailed solution information or to edit the solution. The top left area shows the total number of solutions within the project. Use the Delete button to remove any solutions you no longer need. Multiple solutions can be deleted at once. To compare solutions, select your desired solutions and click Compare to view them side by side. Click Financial Settings to add or edit financial data for all solutions in the project. Use the Sort function to organize solutions based on the following criteria: newest, oldest, last modified, highest density, highest floor area ratio, highest stories, and lastly, highest gross floor area. You can also use the filter function to narrow down solutions such as solutions you've liked and solutions by creator. You can also use the More filter to filter detailed criteria such as solution ID, floor area ratio, unit count, stories, and gross floor area. If you want to change the name of your project from the solutions list, you can click on the project name at the top center of the page to edit it directly. And that's it. Join us in our next video to learn more about building editing.